Hi guys, new video here. I am just going to be reviewing my new Beetles light that I got in the kit to the left. I have already done a unboxing and review and swatches for this kit already, so I will be sure to link that below if you're interested. But this is the light that I have been looking for a very long time. There were specific reasons why I was looking for this light, and if you pay attention to right around where that beetle is, there is no actual button, it's just a sensor. So sometimes when we have these mini LED lights, we kind of fumble and stumble with pushing that light. Sometimes people put it on first before, they're kind of pushing their nail down firmly. So, I mean, that's an easier way to deal with the mini LED lights is just by turning it on first and then getting your nail under there. But I didn't want to kind of have a reason to be fumbling with it, right? I just wanted to just get my finger on there, under there, and not have to worry about pushing an actual button. So I found this Beetles kit, and this was the cheapest kit that I could find. Really, I just wanted the light, but the light itself was like 12, 13 bucks, something like that. And the kit to the left was about $9.99. It was just under $10 for the entire kit, which I thought was a deal because the light itself was about $13. So I decided to just get this kit. I will make sure to leave it down below. Now, is it still that same price? I'm not sure. So when I link it and it's not the same price, I apologize. That's just the price that I paid for it when I got it, okay? So I hope you enjoy this video. This is just going to be kind of a quick video on how I apply my tips, and I'm going to be showing you how I use this light. So once again, I hope you enjoy and thank you so much for stopping by. So as you saw before, I did put down a base coat primer first and then a base coat, and then I chose my nail sizes, and now I have the nail glue that I just want to finish up this nail glue first is what I'm trying to say before I use my newer nail glue that came with the actual kit, because this nail glue is older. I want to get to using it before it just doesn't work as well anymore, before I start to open a new one. So here are the tips. I'm taking the nail glue and I am getting some nail glue inside of the nail there. And what we're going to do is, before we get our nail under the light, we are going to take our nail, start at the cuticle area, and firmly and slowly push down. And I'm not going to let go of this tip until I feel that I can let go. So I hope you don't mind, but as I am editing, I am going to be doing my nails. So you're going to hear me e-filing and hand filing, and probably hearing brushing noises. And so I hope you don't mind that at all. So I am using this cuticle pusher because it's going to allow me or help me to get out any gel that I don't want around my cuticles. So that's why you see me using that cuticle pusher. So I'm just going to take some more of this nail glue and I'm just going to apply it to the nail. The tips that I'm using, if you didn't see in the beginning of the video, these are Model 1 soft gel tips, and they are soak off full cover. These are medium almond, if you were wondering, and definitely are my favorite tips to use at the moment. So I'm just going to be doing my nails as I edit. Hopefully the sound kind of ASMR style sounds cool to you. And try to think of different ways to record. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. So let me know what you think. I just wanted to point out, look how beautiful that or these nails sit on my natural nails. Yeah, I have a little bit of gel that kind of went over, but that's okay. It'll be alright. You won't see that once you put some color down and apply your nail art and things like that. So I'm not really worried about that. But I just love the way that these sit on my natural nails. It's like these were literally made for me. They're beautiful. I love them. And most of all, I love that they are soft gel tips. So I am going to continue to file my nails while you guys watch. Right now I'm just buffing my nails pretty much so that I could start to add color. So that's really what I'm doing. And here I go again using my little cuticle pusher so that I could get the gel out from where I don't want it. Also, I'm just separating my skin from the tip just to make sure that nothing is sticking. And then of course I'm going to go in with my e-file and hand file and shape up a little bit before I add the color and design. Still trying to figure out what I want to do for design. I'm thinking butterflies and I don't know what colors yet, so I'm still trying to figure that out. I might do a video and record the process of me doing my nails and what I'm doing in design. So we will see. We will see what I'm going to do for design. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. For now, I can go take my brush and get off the nail dust. Definitely one of my favorite mini lamps so far. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.